Hello everyone! Today we are going to make pickled papaya. The ingredients we are going to use for today are fresh green papayas, carrots, green chili and red bell pepper, raisins, ginger, sugar, salt, and vinegar. The cooking tools we are going to use for today are fine strainer, a knife, grater, peeler, collator, measuring cups, and the big plastic container we are going to use for mixing. Before we proceed, ensure that we wash our hands, the vegetables, and the cooking tools. Wear a hairnet, but if not available, you can use handkerchief to cover your hair. And the apron to protect your body from mess. You may also use gloves if you have some. After we grated our papaya right here, we will get 4 cups of it. 1 cup and 4 cups. And we're here. We'll mix. Now we will leave this for 1 hour. While waiting for 1 hour, we are going to peel and slice other ingredients like these. We will now peel the carrots into pieces. Now we will slice the red bell pepper. Now the 2 chili peppers. Then we will get a small amount of ginger. After an hour, we will now drain and rinse the grated green papaya. Let's take a bunch, squeeze. Now we will combine the papaya, carrot, bell peppers, ginger, green chile peppers, and raisins later. So let's go. So let's put this here. Let's grab a few. We will measure 3 tablespoons of raisins. And let's use the bare hands for this now. These jars are sterilized, which are also a safety protocol in handling food. More. Now we will add 1 cup of vinegar, water, sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt together in a small saucepan right here. Now we are going to pour the vinegar mixture into the jars. Now we will allow the vegetables to marinate in the liquid at least 1 day. After a day of fermentation, I will now eat my pickled papaya. It's great! We Filipinos like to eat our pickled papaya with our breakfast. But for me, I prefer to eat it with my chicken adobo with boiled egg. Now, let us taste it. Perfect taste! I hope that you enjoyed my video, and as a 6th grader like me, you should try this recipe. I'm sure that your parents and your siblings would love it. Thank you!